What's up guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps here. Today we've got something new for you from Flow Designs. We have number plate mounting brackets. So the guys at Flow have gone to great lengths to make sure that they design brackets to fit all of the different types of number plates that you can get, and they're obviously continually working on expanding that range to cover not just Victoria, Queensland, but all the different states, because they've all got slightly different options available too. So let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got a couple of different ones. We have slimline and standard number plate brackets. Then we've got a range of the Queensland Heritage ones, which actually just went on sale yesterday. So I'm sure some of you guys have actually got a need for these now. We've got the 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, and 6-digit Q plates and the Euro Premium ones. Also, we have these awesome Mercedes ones. I'm saying they're really awesome because I've got an A45 and this saved me when I wanted to mount I've got a 4-digit Prestige plate. This adapter worked perfectly for that one. And we've also got here a Hyundai rear adapter plate. So yeah. If you are ordering these online, please do remember when you're ordering your Heritage brackets that the 3 digits they're referring to are the ones past the Q, so they don't include it. So in this case, this is a 3-digit Heritage plate. Obviously a 4-digit will have 4 after the Q, and so on and so on. Alrighty, so let's open up one of these boxes here. This is our 3-digit one. Flow have definitely gone to great lengths to make this very elegant, beautiful design. So we'll start out with the bracket here. This is 5005 machined aluminium in an anodized black finish. So it's very light, but it's very, very elegant. It's not going to rust on you. Very, very beautiful piece of equipment there. So that's your bracket. Also with this, they've provided Allen keys. So we've got a 4mm Allen key here. Pull that one out. There we go. 4mm Allen key and a 2.5mm Allen key. And then we've also got a security Allen key over here because, there we go, this kit actually comes with several different mounting options, the bracket and all the Allen keys. So we have double-sided tape. Not that you're very likely to use only double-sided tape because there's a lot of screws here, but this is an option. We've also got, this is the number plate fitting kit, option 1, option 2, and option 3. Now this is a beautiful touch. Q plates are partially black and partially white. They've given you white mounting screws for the white side of the plate and black ones for the black side of the plate. That is gorgeous. On top of that, these ones here, the option 2 mounting screws are actually the security key ones, which you'll use that Allen key for. And option 1, the black ones, are going to use your 2.5mm. So that's really awesome. But we'll show you how we put those on in a minute. And then we've got the bracket fitting kit. So in here, number 4, this is the spacers. So you can put these on the back of the bracket to space it off the body of the car, just to make sure it sits nice and flush. And then we've got various options and lengths of bolts. So this is the option 3 bolt. So these are the pointed kind of self-tapping looking ones. Someone's going to call me out on that for what they're really actually called. And then we got these nice non-self-tapping ones. Yeah, here, option A, 1A and 1B, and then that was option 3 there. All right, well, let's put these all aside. We'll take off the plate and start mounting it to the car. Let's take off the plate and current bracket. All right, so now that we've got the old bracket off, we're going to put the new Flow Designs bracket on. One really cool little thing that I just noticed is that Flow have milled out these little channels around the outside of the plate that are basically allowances for the, I don't know what you call these, kind of rivet fastener type things on the back of the plate to allow it, I don't know if you can see this here, to sit completely flush with the plate. How cool is that? So now we're going to mount the bracket. I've compared the screws that were holding the previous bracket on to some of the ones that were supplied in the Flow kit here, and this one seems to be an almost perfect match. So we're going to go with option 1A. That's going to work perfectly. We've got 2 screws. We're going to take our supplied 4mm Allen key. Beautiful. Now I'm going to fit this without double-sided tape because it seems to fit quite flush. If it feels like there's a little bit of vibrational movement, we'll take it back off and we'll put the tape somewhere down the bottom there, but we'll see how we go. All right, now I'm not tightening these too much, just so we have a little play in the bracket, and we can adjust the center of it, which looks pretty good right about there. Virtually no play in that, so I don't think we're going to need to use the tape at all. Now we're going to take our 2.5mm Allen key. So in this case, I'm going to leave the option of using the security keys to the owner. And we're going to use both the black and the white screws for a really nice sort of seamless, boltless finish, if you will. Start off with the black ones. Look at that. Cute little bolt. That is gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. We've mounted the Q plate. It is really, really beautiful flush fitment. You can barely even tell that there's a bracket there. Awesome bit of gear. Anyway, we carry these in stock, so if you've got Q plates, hit us up, let us know, and we can sort that out for you. Otherwise, you can buy them online on Flow Design's website, and you'll soon probably be able to get them on ours as well. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.